If you've tried using an AI logo generator or AI design tools recently, you've probably noticed something. Some AI generated logos look surprisingly professional. Others look like they were created in 10 seconds by someone who has never heard of that. The difference usually isn't the AI, it's the prompt. And in 2026, knowing how to write a great prompt is becoming just as important as knowing how to use design software. Hi, I'm Simran from Ad Academy. In this video, we will explore 7 AI logo design forms that can help you create better branding concepts, generate better visual directions, and get more useful results from tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, Claude Design, and other AI design tools. Whether you're a beginner exploring graphic design with AI or a professional looking to speed up your AI logo design process, these prompts will give you a practical start. So let's get it. Let's begin with one of the most common logo styles. Wordmark logos rely entirely on tagging. Think about brands like Google, Coca-Cola, or Netflix. In these logos, the name itself becomes the visual identity. Here's an example of prompt. A futuristic wordmark logo for a technology brand named Nexus, custom sans serif typography, bold weight, stylized X format by intersecting arrows, electric blue and chart with grey color palette, clean vector design, high readability. Takeaway: when creating AI logo prompts for wordmarks, spend more time describing typography than imagery, because typography is the logo. And once you start focusing on type, you'll notice that sometimes even a single letter can become the entire brand. Instead of using the full name, they create a visual identity using initials. That is exactly what lettermark logos do. A great option for businesses with long names. Let's take a prompt example. A sophisticated monogram logo combining the letters S and B with golden ratio geometry, royal blue and gold color palette, flat vector design, clean and premium. Takeaway: look for opportunities to use negative space and geometric construction. Often, the simplest logos become the most memorable. And speaking of memorable visuals, sometimes brands don't use letters at all. Victorian logos communicate through symbols. A single icon becomes instantly associated with them. Here's a prompt example. A minimalist leaf transforming into a water drop. Geometric vector illustration. Forest green to teal gradient. Symmetric composition. Add icon ready. Takeaway: the strongest pictorial marks are built around one clear visual idea. Don't try to communicate everything at once. And when designers move away from literal symbols, they often enter a much more conceptual space. Abstract logos communicate emotions, values, and ideas rather than objects. They are often used in modern branding because they allow for unique visual ownership. Here's an example of a prompt. An abstract logo representing connectivity and speed. Fluid organic forms merging together. Orange to magenta gradient. Clean vector edges. Modern technology aesthetic. Takeaway: focus on concepts rather than objects. Words like growth, innovation, movement, trust, and connection often produce better results than literal description. And while some designers want abstraction, others need structure. Emblem logos combine typography with imagery to create a unified shape. Think badges, seals, and crests. Here's a prompt example. A circular coffee brand emblem featuring a vintage coffee roaster illustration, warm brown and cream palette, detailed but scalable vector style. Takeaway: when writing emblem prompts, always mention scalability. The biggest challenge isn't reading detail, it's keeping the logo readable. And while emblems often feel traditional, some brands are going in a completely different direction. Mascots are making a comeback. As brands become more human, illustrated characters are becoming a part of the modern brand identity design. Here's a prompt example. A friendly Pixar-style poster mascot for a bakery brand. Soft lighting, glossy finish, Warm pastel colors, approachable and handy. Takeaway: always define the character's personality. Friendly, confident, playful, energetic. The emotion often matters more than the visual details. Once you have a character, you can start combining it with typography. Combination logos bring together text and symbols. They are among the most flexible logo formats used in branding today. Here's a prompt example. A combination logo for a real estate company. Minimal geometric house icon paired with the word Haven in a clean sans serif typeface. Navy blue and terracotta color. Takeaway: always describe the relationship between the icon and the text. Horizontal, vertical, stacked, balanced. The layout affects the result significantly. By now, you've probably noticed something. The best AI logo prompts aren't longer, they are clearer. Here are 4 things that can help instantly improve results. Explain your brand. Tell the AI what your company does. A logo without context is just average. Mention your audience. Designing for Gen Z gamers and luxury investors requires completely different visual languages. Be specific. Use simple but detailed description. Avoid vague words like cool or nice. Using negative prompts. Tell the AI what to avoid. For example, no gradients, no shadows, no 3D effects, no cartoon style. Sometimes the fastest way to get what you want is to describe what you don't. As AI continues transforming graphic design, prompting is becoming a creative skill in itself. Future AI design tools will likely generate editable links, smarter brand systems, and context-aware logo concepts. And here's what's important. AI can generate options, but it cannot replace design thinking. The designers who understand branding, typography, visual communication, and prompt engineering will continue to create the strongest work. Because great design isn't about generating images, it's about making decisions. So those were the 7 AI logo design prompts and techniques that every designer should explore in 2026. But the bigger takeaway isn't the prompts themselves, it's learning how to communicate ideas clearly. Because better prompts lead to better outputs and better thinking leads to better design. If you want to learn graphic design, branding, typography, AI workflows, and build a professional portfolio, explore An Academy's graphic design courses. You will find the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with another designer. And tell us in the comments, which logo style do you use often? Wordmark, mascot, pictorial, or combination logos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.